So I want to exchange this middle one, the middle bushing, for this because I want it to be a little more standard. But first, I will need to apply my bonding, which in this case is jumper cables. I'm going to take this line off right now. I wish I had like some kind of other vehicle, even like a scissor lift. Here is my cable tie. I already pre-bent it a little. I'll put this on here, start yanking these together. And then now I'll make sure both of them are under. I'll start wrapping this tie like this and then like this. There are probably multiple ways that you can do a cable tie. I'm just going to show one of them. But if you work somewhere and you want to say another way, please leave it in the comments or on my Discord server. Instead of tensioning those, we'll try pulling this whole pole with the ratchet shafts, which are also called come-alongs. They're rated for pulling cars and stuff. But first, we need a chain that can attach to this, that we can attach the come-alongs to. We are going to change this to a normal style clamp, or I guess what you could. So we changed out this bushing, cut the top off of that. Also, we put the clamps on the bracket for the fuse holder. They're also called cutouts. So I can go ahead and unclamp these. You always want to undo your live before you're neutral, just in case someone decides to re-energize it. We put the lock nut on top because it was on the bottom before. Make sure everything was tight. Here's the old bushing right here. Please tell me what one of these would be called compared to one of these. I guess this would be the newer plastic style of those, the little domed ones. But we also added some tension to here. I have a Discord server, link is in the description. Please subscribe.